Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining us today. We're going to do a quick little tutorial on our platform here on VFairs and walk you through what to expect for our Future Fox Cities Career Expo on event day. So if you are a student or a teacher who is not yet registered for our event, we're going to have you click this register button and it'll just ask you for your name, your email, your school, and a couple quick questions. If you have already registered or if you are an employer, you're going to click this login button. It's going to ask for your email, and then your password, and then it's going to bring you right into our platform. So right now you are in the lobby, and as you can see, there's a lot of different things going on and a lot of places to click around, so I'm going to walk you through what to expect. So at this top here is where you're going to see all of the different places that you can go throughout our day. And you can also click anywhere on this screen to go to employer booths, to go to the auditorium, or to click this info center. And this is where us at the chamber are going to be sitting throughout the day to help to answer any questions that you have. All right, join us in our next video when I explain a little bit more about our exhibit hall.